Hi guys! Another day, another cooking serye. So, I know nakapagluto na ako last week ng carbonara. Pero ang mga person dito sa bahay ay nag-crave na naman sa carbonara at garlic bread. And of course, pagbibigyan natin ng kanilang cravings. For our carbonara sauce on a heated pan, naglagay lang ako ng konting oil at nagmelt lang ako ng butter. And then, iginisa ko na yung bawang at sibuyas. And then, nilagay ko na yung mushroom. Lutuin lang yung mushroom for a few minutes and then pwede na nating ilagay yung ham. So, lutuin lang natin mabuti yung ham at yung mushroom. And then, pwede na nating isunod, ilagay yung carbonara sauce. So, for this one, I used Del Monte brand. And, pwede na rin nating ilagay yung evaporated milk and yung all-purpose cream. However, hindi ko na na-video yung paglagay ng all-purpose cream dyan. And then, we can add salt and pepper to taste. So, bahala na kayong magtansya kung gaano karami yung gusto nyong ilagay. And then, add grated cheese. So, just let it simmer for a few more minutes. Once medyo nagtikan na yung consistency ng ating sauce, it's good to go! Serve and enjoy! And most importantly, thank you Lord for this food. Thank you guys for watching!